Hey, what's up guys? So this is the stuff I'm going to be using today, Mother's Nulens. And here's how it works. Basically you start with 800 grit wet sanding, then you go to 1500 wet sanding, and then you end up finishing with 3000 grit, no water involved with that one, and then you polish it. So there's 4 steps. Excuse the mess here. So we're going to be doing that to the fog lights, and let's see what happens to them. This one I just did with 800 grit, which is the first stage. This one I just sanded. You could see it's all hazy because of the sandpaper. This one I have not done yet, so that's what it looked like originally. And then you just slowly step it down. So you go from 800 grit to 1500 to 3000, then you polish them. So we will see how this turns out in the end. Okay, so here is where we're at. This one I just finished with the 1500 grit. You can see the difference. It's starting to get slowly clear, more clear. This one is done with the 800 grit. Definitely more scratches on it, so we're gonna keep working on it and keep going. Okay guys, so now we are down to the 3000 grit. You can see that was just done with the 3000 grit, almost there. And this one's still done with the 1500, so you can see the difference is pretty night and day. And then after this we'll do the polishing, and you will be able to see that it is pretty close to back to normal. I mean, you're not going to get perfect. There's some imperfections on the lens, like right there. I went over that multiple times, it would not come off, so but definitely better than it was, so we're gonna keep going. Okay guys, so the polishing stage is done. I actually polished this twice, so that is probably about as good as I'm going to get it. You can see in comparison to the 3000 grit, it's definitely a lot better. There's no haze left, but you're not going to get perfection with this, so don't expect perfection. However, it definitely does look a lot better, so I'm sure light can actually get through this lens now at night, so I definitely would recommend the product. It looks like it works pretty good, so, and I don't have any other comparison. Maybe there's a better product out there, but so far this is what I got, and yeah, thanks for watching.